Hello everyone. So today we will learn how we can use ChatGPT to control LaunchMyStore dashboard. So we can use ChatGPT to actually control everything that is related to your store. You can even design and create and edit themes from scratch, manage orders, add products, new categories, and whatever that is related to your store. What you can do manually, now you can do it with ChatGPT using your own ChatGPT subscription. So first we have to go to store settings from the left sidebar and click on AI connector, and from here, as we can see, we have all the options to connect to different platforms as well, such as Claude and Cursor. You can also connect Codex as well. And for this I will just copy this URL from here, and on the chat GPT I will just click on settings. From here we will go to apps and click on create app. So I will just name this launch my store. You can name it whatever you like, and I will just copy the URL that we have just copied from here and tick mark this and accept this warning and click on create. It would take 5 to 10 seconds for it to connect with Launch My Store. Great, it's now added. So for this to work, we have to click on sign in with Launch My Store. Now click on authorize. Your LaunchMyStore account is now connected with ChatGPT, and you can use simple prompting that you usually do on ChatGPT to work with LaunchMyStore. Now I will just ask how many orders I got this week from LaunchMyStore. So as we can see, it has actually given me all the details of my order that I have received in the last week. So we can use this to actually do everything that you manually do on Launch My Store dashboard. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any family member or any friend that would need help creating their own e-commerce website, I guess Launch My Store would be a good fit. Thank you so much. I hope you are enjoying Launch My Store.